Hi guys, today's video is going to be lovely and short and sweet. It is also going to be a bonus holiday video, I hope. I am hoping that I am able to get this out this week because this is the week of Christmas. So I'm going to make it nice and short and sweet so that I can hopefully edit it and post it really quickly and it still be okay. But anyway, it is going to be very short and sweet because it is going to be a lip swatch video of the ColourPop Lux of the Party Lip Vault. This is one of ColourPop's Christmas vaults. They've released quite a few actually, but this is the only one that I purchased as this one is the one that I wanted the most. It has 1 Lux Lip Oil, 2 Lux Lip Glosses and 2 Lux Velvet Lips. So I'm pretty excited for this. I haven't actually tried any of the Lux lip glosses before. I have the Disney Lux Velvet Lips and one of the Lux Lip Oils. Oh no, I think I have 2 now. But I actually really thoroughly enjoy them. I think they're all really lovely products and they feel really nice on the lips, so I'm sure this will be the same. But with that being said, let's get into it. I'm gonna start with the lip oil because it is clear. It is absolutely gorgeous, like look at that. Just like very simple but cute packaging. It's got little stars, love hearts and lightning bolts. I'm not sure if you can tell on the side. There, it might be too reflective. Anyway, I'm just gonna pop this on. I will zoom you in as well. I do have a scab on my face, like a pimple scab, because I'm bad. So I apologize if you can see it. I tried really hard to cover it, but I don't know if I've done a good enough job. So apologies if it looks disgusting in like this really high quality video. Anyway, I'm gonna zoom you in and that is as far as you can go, so this is what we're getting. I hope that's okay. Anyway, let's start. I don't know what they smell like, but they smell sweet. Anyway, so this is the clear one. It is in the shade Dewdrop, which I'm pretty sure it's one of the original lip oils that they released. They've just changed the packaging for the Christmas ones. This actually feels amazing. Like it's really comfortable to wear. It feels hydrating and nourishing like as soon as you put it on. It doesn't feel tacky on my lips or anything like that. It feels like slippy, like when you rub your lips together you can definitely feel it. Like it's there but it's not like thick or anything. Because it's a clear, so it's like the perfect thing just to, if you wanted to just chuck it over a lip liner. Like if you have a lip liner that's like your favorite and like you love the colour so much and you don't want anything to like change it. Pop this all on top and you are done. Anyway, the next one. So the next shade is Tricky and this is a Lux Lip Gloss. Oh, now we're zoomed in for the rest of these, sorry. But yeah, you might be able to see them now. See, there is a beautiful, beautiful, like that gorgeous packaging. Like, it's quite simple, but I love it at the same time. Oh my god, that's so sweet. It almost, these ones smell like, I don't even know, I'm so bad. It's like almost like salted caramel. It smells like sugar when you cook sugar, like caramel, molasses and stuff like that. If you're wondering, this feels pretty similar to the lip oil. It is slightly tackier, like a tiny bit tacky, and it is the tiniest bit, I think, thicker than the lip oils, but it still feels super comfortable. And it does actually feel kind of nourishing as well, to be honest with you. There we go, so we have that shade done. Next shade. So the next shade is Candy Kiss. It is another Lux gloss, and it's like a more mauvey nudie pink. And I'm absolutely in love with this. I feel like this is gonna be such a me color. It smells amazing too. These smell so good. I think this one's my favorite. Like this color, I really like this color. But yeah, these honestly feel so comfortable. Anyway, I'll erase that and do the next shade. So now we are on to the second last shade, which is called Room Service, and it is a Lux Velvet Lip. So it's actually quite a nudie pink. I feel like this is a really good colour for Christmas. Okay, and now for the final shade. The final shade is this stunning bricky red, and it's in the shade It's a Banger. And I am so excited to put this on my lips. Oh, this is a Luxe Velvet Lip as well, if you're wondering. These ones smell nice too, but I think the lip glosses are the ones with like the strongest scent. I feel like it's all like really similar, but I don't know if this is like, I feel like this could be like a Christmas cookie or something. I feel like that's what the scent could be, but don't quote me on that. I'm not 100% sure. I have a very, very bad sense of smell when it comes to recognizing things, so I'm most probably not correct. Trying to make sure I don't have any on my teeth. I love this colour. I hardly ever wear red on my lips, but whenever I do, I'm always like, oh my god, I feel bold. And that is the final lip product. So this is a very short and sweet video. I'm going to zoom you out now. Anyway guys, so that marks the final lip product in the vault. This is an absolutely stunning vault, if you ask me. I think it's adorable, and I really enjoyed wearing all these products for like 5 seconds. But my experience with these products, obviously, as I said before, I haven't used the glosses before, but they felt so comfortable, so I'm quite impressed with them. As for the oil, I've already used them before and I already love them, and same with the Luxe Velvet Lip, which is what I'm wearing right now. These are so comfortable. They dry down really well. Right now I think I put like, I kind of did like a million coats of this, so it's still a little bit creamy, but they just feel like you've got like nothing on your lips really. And it's not drying, not in a drying way. It just feels so nice. And as you can tell, I don't have it on my teeth, which is always amazing with red. Or anything really bright coloured. I always get it on my teeth, which is never fun. But anyway guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video, this very short and sweet Christmas bonus holiday video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about any of the lip products that I used, let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as possible, and hopefully I will see you soon. And also I hope you all have a Merry Christmas. So this is a Luxe. So this is a Luxe lip gloss. This is a Luxe gloss. Mauvey nudie pink. Mauvey nudie pink. I just got that in my mouth. Oh, damn it, I keep doing that. I hardly ever wear